Don't do it. Don't cross. Please don't cross. I think it's raining. And some of these. Please don't cross. Please don't cross. Don't cross, you idiots. I don't care how far the train is. Don't cross with the gauge down. L135. So good. L135-07, you guys look good. Walk on the wheel. You guys look good. Be safe going west.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I just had a question. I'm trying to get to Houston, Texas.
Oh, you take it by train?
Yes.
By Amtrak?
Yes.
You can catch a Marc train. He's to be coming any minute.
Oh, okay.
He's the last Marc going to DC.
Oh, okay.
So you can get take Marc here, go to DC,
okay,
and catch. Take Marc is right now.
Oh, okay. So he'll go to DC and then I'll transfer from DC.
CSX.
Yeah.
Oh.
Defect
Yeah.
detector.
Well,
Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 3, 2. End of transmission.
Defect 135, you look good.
XBC transmat for P880, engine Mark 28.
P880 answer, over. Yes, sir, so the Mark 28 and BA21.6, over.
Equipment defect detector. Milepost 2.6. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 438. End of transmission. Sorry guys, DD got on top of you. I got the engine number. What's your current location in, please? Over.
Yes, sir, BA21.6, over.
Alright, again, no reverse moves. If you need to make them, give me a call and I can make something work out with them. But just give me a call before I make the reverse moves there. Okay?
Roger that, understood.
Yep.
They were saying for L135, you guys look, as far as I can tell, you guys look good. And also good morning to you guys for CSX crew on L135-07. You guys have a safe trip west, and be safe out there. Try to stay dry, it is raining. Oh. 5, 6, yeah. 6 engines with 2 engines. 6 cars. 2, 4, yeah, 6 cars.
Go east, Mark 880, DID. Mark 28, to departing Gaithersburg around Washington.
Take a bow wow. Really? Alright, Mark, you guys look good too. I got dumb kids crossing the tracks.